Hey, today I'm gonna be doing some Uber Eats. I'm gonna go ahead and sign on right now and see how much money we can make. It is currently 1 p.m. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and check in now and go online, and then I'll check back after we get some deliveries and see how much we make today. All right, just picked up my first order. In this case, we have milkshakes and a bag of food. I don't understand why people order milkshakes or ice cream or anything like that. I'm starting to get a little nervous because I just looked down at these milkshakes and you can clearly see that they are starting to melt. And I still have 10 minutes to drive, so I'm a little scared they're gonna be a little bit melted when I get there. I just had another order come in right after I dropped that last one off. This one is for $11 for 12 miles. The first order was for $8, this one was for $11. So after this order, I should be at about $19. I think I've been online for about maybe 20 to 30 minutes. So I'm gonna go pick up that order and I'll be back. All right, just picked up my second order. This one is from a Thai noodles restaurant. This one came with a drink. The estimate said it was 12 miles away for $11. And now it's saying 16 miles. Not sure what happened there, but I'm gonna go drop this one off and then I'll be back. All right, as I was stopping to get gas, I received my first $5 tip, and now I'm at a total of $12.61 for the day. Now I'm headed back to my spot. I'm gonna go grab some lunch and sign back in, and then see if we can make some more money. All right, guys, I'm back from my break. And so far I have made $19.12, and it says I'm online for 1 hour and 34 minutes. So I'm about to get back online. It is close to 5 o'clock. All right, just got my third pickup, and this one was $11, and it is 6.4 miles. Immediately after dropping off that last delivery, I got one more, and it was for a pizza place. So I just picked that one up. I believe it was $14 for 9 miles. Try to bear with me, it is starting to get dark. It's only 5:30. I plan on going till about 8:30 tonight, and I'm on the way to drop that one off. It's 3.4 miles away. I'm not sure what I'm at so far. Orders keep coming in, so I don't really have time to stop and check my earnings so far. All right, just picked up another order right after dropping off that pizza order. This one's for Firehouse Subs, and it was a 4-mile trip for $9. I just wanted to show you guys this before I get caught up on another order. If you can see right here, some of my tips have started coming through, and this last tip that I got was $12.78. Before that, I got a $6.51 tip. The one before that was a $5 tip. One before that was a $7 tip, and the one before that was an $8 tip. That's just showing you how good of tips you can get in one night. So far, my total for today is $50.77. It says here I've been online for 3 hours and 31 minutes, which is way more than $10 an hour. So far we're doing really good. I got about 2 more hours, and then I'll be adding up the total and see what we make for the day. Another really great order just came through while I was sitting here. $10 for 4 miles. I'm gonna go pick it up right now, and then I'll be back with the total earnings. All right, guys, so I'm officially done for the day. I just wanted to show you my total payout was $96.16. I was online for a total of 5 hours and 18 minutes, which is pretty good. That's close to $20 an hour. I appreciate you checking out the video. If you stuck around to the end, please smash that like button and consider subscribing. I'll be doing more of these in the future. I'll see you in the next one.